వెల్కమ్ టు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కార్నర్. ఏపీపీఎస్సి గ్రూప్ 2 మెయిన్స్ బిట్స్కు స్వాగతం. ఈరోజు మరికొన్ని ముఖ్యమైన బిట్స్ని నేను మీతో డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఫస్ట్ సెషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్ర మహాసభ వాజ్ హెల్డ్ ఇన్ 1913 అట్ బాపట్ల. నెక్స్ట్, ఫస్ట్ విడో రీమ్యారేజ్ ఇన్ ఆంధ్ర వాజ్ పర్ఫార్మ్డ్ అట్ రాజమండ్రి ఆన్ December 11th, 1881. Next, the first session of the Rayalaseema Mahasabha was held at Madras on January 28th, 1934. Next, signatures of Sri Bag Agreement include K. Kotireddy, Kunda Venkatapaya, Kallur Subbarao. All the above is the right answer. Next, who presided over the first session of Andhra Mahasabha held in 1913? Answer B. N. Sharma. Next question. Who presided over the 7th annual session of the Congress at Nagpur? Answer P. Anandacharyalu. Next question. Kallapaka Annamacharya hailed from Kallapaka village in the district of Kadapa. Next question. First meeting of Andhra Janasangam was held at Hyderabad on February 14th, 1922. Next, who is regarded as the founder of Satavahana dynasty? Answer Sri Mukha. Next, Rudraamba Kakatiya ruler had 3 daughters. Next, Ramappa and Pillalamarri temples were built during the rule of Kakatiyas. Next, the first rule of Vijayanagar was Hariharavan. Next, the oldest of the spoken and literary languages of South India is Tamil. Next, founder of Rashtrakutas. Answer Ganti Durga. Next question. The fortress of Vijayanagara was located on the bank of the river Tungabhadra. Next, who started the Telugu version of Mahabharata? Answer Nannaya. Next question. The Pallava educational institutions were known as Gutikas. Next, the Palagar of Kurnool who rebelled against the English was Narasimha Reddy. Next, the lyric Ma Koddu Ee Tella Doratanamu was composed by Garimella Satyanarayana. Next, the Kakatiya king who shifted the capital from Hanumakonda to Warangal was Ganapati Deva. Next, Nritya Ratnavali was composed by Jayapa in Sanskrit. Next, the Kadagam under the Cholas was army cantonment. Next question. When was Andhra Pradesh state as the first linguistic state emerged? Answer November 1, 1956. Next question. Where did the historians find the word Andhra? Where did they find the first reference to the Andhras? Answer Aitareya Brahmana. Next question. Who was the founder of Satavahana Empire? Answer Shimuka. Next, in the year 1565, the Battle of Kallikota was fought between them. Answer Vijayanagara kings and Deccan Sultan. Next question. What is the importance of Amaravati? Answer Satavahana arts. Next, which is the official language of Satavahanas? Answer Prakrit. Next, who translated Mahabharata into Telugu? Answer Nannaya. Next question. Okay. Next question. Whose side did the Andhras fight in the Mahabharata war? Answer Kauravas. Next question. According to ancient texts, The founder of Satavahana clan. Answer Sri Mukha. Next, the religion adopted by Satavahanas is a Hinduism. Next, who built a Bhimeshwar temple on the banks of Godavari? Answer Chalukya one. Next question. Who shifted the capital from Hanumakonda to Orugallu? Answer Ganapati Deva. Next, who built the Ramappa temple in Palampet? Answer Recharla Rudra. Next question. Who was called as the second Buddha during the Satavahana's rule? Answer Acharya Nagarjuna. Next question. Who authored the novel Rajasekara Charitramu? Answer Kandukuri Veeresalingam. Next question. Who is known as the Andhra Ratna? Answer Dugirala Gopala Krishnaya. Next, one of the major towns of Godavari region in the Satavahana kingdom was Pratishtana. Next, the remains of Vijayanagara Empire can be found in Hampi. Next question. Krishna Devaraya was a contemporary of Babar. Next question. Which was the main trade center for Portuguese in Andhra Pradesh? Answer Machilipatnam. Next, Telugu Daily Andhra Patrika was started by K. Nageswar Rao. Next, in which year the Andhra Mahasabha in Bapatla was held? Answer 1913. Next, which leader was called Andhra Pitamaha? Answer Madapati Hanumantarao. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఆంధ్ర రత్న అంటే దుగ్గిరాల గోపాలకృష్ణయ్య గారు, తర్వాత ఆంధ్ర పితామహ అంటే మాడపాటి హనుమంతరావు గారు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ద ఆంధ్ర ప్యాట్రియట్ హూ హ్యాడ్ ఆల్సో ఏ గ్రేట్ బిజినెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ వాజ్ బి పట్టాభి సీతారామయ్య. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. తిమ్మరసు వాజ్ ద మినిస్టర్ టు Krishnadevarayalu. Next, the founder of Satavahana dynasty was Simukha. Next, the Niti Sastram was written by Rudradeva. Thank you. Have a great day. Jai Hind.